In today's video, I will be talking about how to make money from Canva. And if you don't know what Canva is, now where have you been? Now, seriously, sis, where have you been? But that's okay. I got you. I'm going to break it down in this video. What is Canva and how you can start making money using Canva. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner. And on this channel, I talk about small business ideas, side hustle ideas, online business ideas, financial freedom, and personal development for women. Now, in today's video, I'll be sharing different ways how you can start making money from Canva. Now, this is a secret the ladies here in these social media streets won't tell you, but Canva is where it's at. Canva is the secret sauce for getting those online courses, making money from selling those ebooks, making money from those online courses, making money from creating graphics, arts, t-shirts, graphic designs, and everything in these social media streets. The secret is out. I'm not keeping no secret from you. I'm giving it all to you. Now, so you don't know what Canva is. Now, Canva is a graphics design app, a graphic design website, a graphic design site that has a whole different bunch of templates from social media posts, from graphic designs, I won't just get into it. Let's dive into the video so that you can find one, not two, maybe not three different ways, or you can start making some money right now. The first way, or you can start making money from Canva, is to set up your print on demand business. There are several different templates within Canva. So if you're looking to start a t-shirt business, if you're looking to start a design business where you design like mugs, like this is not the best example, but it was just sitting right here beside me. It's old. But if you want to do things like this one, you see this is a graphic design, Jamaica, vacation Jamaica. You can do several things in Canva. Now, I started my t-shirt business, and my first set of designs I did myself within Canva before I learned about Fiverr. And before I start making some money in my business that I could invest in a graphic designer to do, more elaborate, more professional graphic designs, I was using Canva. Now, if you haven't seen that video as yet, I've done a full video on how to start your t-shirt business and the tools and things that you'll need. Go ahead and check it out right here after watching this video, of course. Now, not only t-shirt, but you can do other graphic designs for other stuff. Bags. I've done bags. I've done hoodies. So from apparels to home-based products, you can design graphics. You can put them up on a website and you can start making money. My recommendation would be Printful. Since I've used that in the past, I can recommend that one because I've had my personal experience with it. So you upload your design, you set up your prices, select the products that you want to use, if whether you want to use t-shirts, hoodies, socks, bags, tote bags, whatever, mugs, whatever you're going to use, set them up, put a price on it, and there goes your print on demand business, just like that. 2, you can use Canva to make templates and sell these templates. Now, I recently did a video, my past video, on how to create passive income in your sleep. And this was one of the recommendations. You can go check that video out after watching this one. And it is to design templates. Now, as I mentioned, Canva has several different templates. But so if you're a beginner and you're just getting started, now this is one of the most beginner-friendly ways of making some money in these social media streets. Now, whatever your gifting and your skills and your expertise or your niche is, I'm sure you can find a template on Canva. You can personalize it with your fonts, your branding colors, download it as a PDF, put a price on it, upload it to Gumroad, sell it. Say, for example, you're in the financial niche. You can create a financial template, a budget template. You can create a mental wellness template, like your daily check-in, how you're feeling today. You can create a saving template. Whatever it is, Canva has it, and you can personalize it, stick it on your website, ching, start making money. Number three is, if you're more experience in graphic designs, then you can use Canva as your graphic design, as your main base for graphic design, and you start getting paid for this. Pitch your service to small businesses. You offer them a branding packages. In Canva, you can find color palettes, you can find different fonts, you can find logos. So you can pitch to a small business who is just starting out to say, hey, I can create for you a branding package, which includes a logo, which includes business card, which includes your brand colors, which includes your fonts, and you set this up as a business and you sell it. Now, I've been using Canva personally for myself, doing most of these things myself. And if you're interested in more in-depth about any of these things, businesses that I've stated here, let me know which one specifically you need more information on, so I can do a tutorial just for you. And while we're doing that, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see when I create that video just for you. Now, I've done most of my branding and all that stuff myself, but after establishing and after being in this online, when I wanted to take my business more seriously, for example, my real estate business, I hired a professional on Fiverr, and she provided me a branding kit with my logo and my fonts, my colors and all that. And based on what I've been doing, I've been using, I was able to send her over, the colors that I had in mind that I was working with in Canva, the fonts and the designs and all that stuff. So I'm pretty much sure she used Canva also, because that's her thing, graphic design. For me, art, finding the perfect colors to match wasn't my thing, but they worked in the beginning stage of my business until I was able to invest in somebody else who had more experience, skills, and knowledge in this area that could have provided a package for me. Now, for example, if you want to do that in Canva, you can go to Fiverr and you set up as a freelancer, providing this service and this business for these people who are starting off, like new and aspiring entrepreneurs or small business owners. Number 4, next, you can create a branding workshop. So again, if this is your specialty, you're knowledgeable around brand colors, fonts, and all those things that are involved in, arts and decor and branding, you can start creating online classes, online courses where you're going into Canva and you're teaching people who want to do it for themselves or people who want to get paid, since you have more knowledge and more experience in this area. So say, for example, you set up a course and you advertise it on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. Hey guys, I will be doing a workshop around Canva, around your branding, how to choose your colors, your fonts, and all that stuff for $97. If you sell, or even $100, if you sell 10 of those, that's $1,000 in one go. So see, several ways of creating in Canva, making money in Canva. Now, let me know in the comments which one of these ideas so far looks like your thing, your area of making money from Canva. Let me know in the comments. So you can create a lead magnet in Canva. And if you're a new business owner or an aspiring business owner, then of course you need to know what a lead magnet is. What a lead magnet is something you're going to give a potential client of yours. You're going to give them in exchange for their email address so that you can market, sell, and promote your product or your services to them, right? Because people have to know you, like you, trust you before they go ahead and swipe that credit card, right? So you start marketing, promoting so that they get to know you. Again, if you're interested more in what that email format would look like, that welcome email series will look like, and the different platforms that you'll need for email marketing, let me know in the comments. Now, I've done several different lead magnets in Canva. As I tell you, Canva is my best friend in my business. If Canva goes, I don't know what I will do without Canva, right? So I've done from worksheets, from templates, from webinars, from ebooks, all different types of lead magnets. Now, if you're interested to see any of my lead magnets, I'll link them in the description here. A link to my website where you'll see all my free resources. So think about how you can use your lead magnet to get some money by just using one of Canva templates to drive traffic to your website or your products. Before we get to the next idea of how you can make money from Canva, just to let you know, if you need more expertise, knowledge, guidance, or teaching or one-to-one coaching with me, I do offer one-to-one coaching, and I will leave the link below in the description so we can have a conversation on how you can start making more money and how you can monetize those skills, your gifts, and your expertise. Down below, you'll see the description. I'm happy to help you on this new journey of making more money. Another way of how you can make money via Canva is to monetize your skills of graphic arts and design by uploading different arts and craft that you have tweaked, personalized using any of Canva templates and uploading them to 99 Design. Now, this was another website I used when I was doing my t-shirt business. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can go and check it out. But while I was doing that business, I used to go on 99 Designs and purchase other designs, download them, getting the right to use them, and printing them on t-shirts. So that's another way how you can personalize t-shirt designs on Canva, upload them to 99 Design, bam, you're getting paid for your creativity and for your specialty. It has been my best friend since I started this side hustle journey, this online business journey, maybe 5 years ago. Canva is one of the must-have tools and systems that I use for my side businesses to make money in my sleep, to make money on my website, and to make money with my 9-to-5 job. I can't do anything without Canva. Canva is where I do all my graphic designs for my social media posts. It's how I started my t-shirt business. It's how I've written my book, What to Expect When Moving to Canada. It's how I do my logos. It's how I do my business cards for my real estate business. It's how I do everything in my business. So if you don't have Canva, you need to run, not walk, run and go and download Canva right now. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, if you're planning on making some money in these social media streets, then you need Canva. I will share my link down below so you can go ahead and sign up right now so you can start using Canva. Lastly, you can offer design subscription services. There are new and aspiring entrepreneurs or even seasoned entrepreneurs who don't have the time to curate their social media posts. They don't have the time to create that online course. They don't have the time to create that flyer or whatever thing they need for their business, especially YouTube, right? So you can create packages and have subscriptions where they pay a monthly fee to be a part of that subscription service. What that subscription service might be 2 Instagram posts per week, including 2 YouTube thumbnails per week, and also including 1 email marketing template per month for your newsletter, right? So that could be a standard business that you have set up with the things that you provide for this subscription box, and you can edit it specifically, make it more specifically to suit the niche that you're serving. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Let me know which one of these ideas you want me to elaborate on in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you in my next video. Before you go, check out this full playlist here of how to make money, different side hustle recommendations I've done just for you. Bye for now. See you in my next video.